Today I would be reviewing a product from the Craftopedia brand, which not only urges us to dive deep into the world of traditional art, but also to explore the era of values which we still uphold. And helping us review the kit today is our own drawing and painting enthusiast, RJ. Overall, I love the packaging and the contents. There are 4 colors included in the set, and if you wish, you can mix them and create new colors. They've also added a few photographs in the instruction manual that you can use as reference to color the coaster as well as the tea light holder. Wow, I'm really excited to begin. Wow, look at how beautifully these have turned out. So how was your experience painting this, RJ?
I really enjoyed myself.
And what are your plans for this? Are you planning to keep it for yourself or would you like to gift it to somebody?
I like to gift it to somebody.
Aha, that's a brilliant idea. And you can actually use this box that it came in because it's so pretty. It's a great gifting idea. The outer box is extremely pretty and even the inner content is well thought and curated. You can either gift the entire box as it is or you can craft your own unique creation and gift those.